Hey everybody, I'm going to do a follow-up video to my homemade dishwasher detergent video that I just published. This video probably won't go up for a couple weeks after I published it originally, the first one, but I wanted to address some comments I'm getting already. People are asking if the detergent leaves a film or anything on the dishes. And I have noticed that my silverware, I don't know if you can see it, it's a discoloration. It's like something that a rinse aid would probably address, but the handles mostly. I don't notice it on the actual, part you eat with, but on these handles, I don't know if you can see them. It is leaving some discoloration. I read online, since I've been using, my soap for a couple weeks now, that I may be using too much and I may not be using hot enough water. So I'm gonna run a load right now and turn the heat thing, hotter, and the heat setting, and use less detergent, because maybe I was using too much and it just didn't get dissolved like it needs to. I'm not sure. But this is new to me, just like it would be to you if you've never used it before. And I want to give you the honest information about how it works. So after I run this load with less detergent and hotter water, I will update you and let you know if the handles came out less spotty. I haven't noticed it on the dishes themselves, so I don't know. I really don't, but I will keep you informed. Here's my dishwasher, loaded up, ready to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And wanted to show you, I'm only using that much detergent. It's less than what I used before. And like I said, I'm going to use hotter water. So we'll see how it goes. The moment of truth. My dishwasher is done. I'm going to open it up. My glasses are steaming up from the heat. Okay, so this, I put in this compartment the 3 pieces of silverware that I showed you. They are still discolored. I used a hotter setting and I used less detergent. I'm going to hand wash these. Hopefully this film will come off. Okay, I scrubbed these 2 and most of that film came off. So I'll just show you, I'm using a scrubby, sponge, and I'd say that film is just on the surface, it's not. I've ran several loads and used the silverware and it hasn't made me sick, it hasn't bothered me, but I don't want it to get all filmy and cloudy like that. So scrubbing it by hand removes that little soap film or whatever it is. You know what? These are other pieces of silverware. I just took them out of the dishwasher and they don't have the film on them. The ones that I put in that already had the film, it didn't remove that, but these do not have it. So that's promising. Well, I'm very disappointed in my homemade dishwasher detergent because it's not working. It mostly gets the dishes clean, but it does leave a film. I guess it's either the washing soda or the borax. I don't know what it is. It's not gritty, but it's a thick, the dishes aren't slick like they should be when they're clean. It has a film on it that makes it kind of rough feeling. I don't know how else to describe it. So I am washing some of the dishes after I ran them through my dishwasher. I already washed the silverware because it had the cloudy, you know, handles and stuff again. And it feels funny. It doesn't feel shiny and slick like it should. It feels, I don't know how to describe it. It's not rough. It's just there's something on there that's causing it to not be shiny and the feeling of clean silverware. I don't know how to describe it. But I'm going to quit using that stuff. I don't like how it is working, or not working, I guess. So I'm going to wash the rest of these dishes, use the dishwasher as a drying rack for now. I think I might just use my dishwasher detergent in the laundry. It's pretty much the same stuff. I don't know that it would hurt anything. Maybe I'll wash a load of like rugs or something first using it before I do it with my clothes. But really, I don't think it'd be a problem. It's very similar ingredients as what my homemade laundry detergent is. And the homemade laundry detergent works great. So I apologize. I hope nobody has made a big batch and is disappointed like me. I'm sorry. I really apologize for that. I don't know. So, I've heard that using vinegar to rinse is not a good idea because it can ruin the rubber seals in the dishwasher, so I'm not going to do that. So, I may do some more research, see if I can come up with something. I don't know. But thanks for watching, and again, my apologies for steering you down the wrong path if I did. If you already made this and have used it and are disappointed. If you did make it and use it and like it, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.